All right, people, you have seen the full build of the Sotion Motor, and now is finally the time to test it out. All right, I'm very excited. See if it turns on. Woo! It turns on. Full battery, running on about 15 PSI. Let's do this. Effortless. Dude, I'm not even using it to its full potential. Ah, look at that. Lancelin sand dunes. Epic. You see that hill? That's a pretty fucking big hill. A good place to test the true power of this motor. All right, people. Do you think I'm making it up that hill? Do you trust in the new motor? Let's see. Fuck yeah, dude. Wasn't even a challenge. What if I show you from here? That is pretty steep, you got to admit. We'll do that one over there. Shit, dude. Bumpy. Oh man, like it's nothing. It's nothing. So fun.